the Lagos State University invites you to its 99th inaugural lecture.
I'm ODEWUMI Gbadebo, SG, Professor of Transport and Logistics in the School of Transport and Logistics, Lagos State University. I will deliver the 99th inaugural lecture titled Working Our Way Back to the Garden of Eden, Envisioning a Model of Complete Metamorphosis of Urban System Trajectory.
Date: Tuesday, 10th September 2024. Time: 3 p.m. Venue: Buba Marwa Auditorium, Main Campus, Ojo, Lagos, under the chairmanship of Professor Ibiyemi Ibilola Olatunji Bello, MNI NPOM, Vice Chancellor, Lagos State University. All guests are expected to be seated by 2:30 p.m. Announcer Emmanuel A. Fanu, Registrar and Secretary to Council. We are LASU. We are great.